rods out. You know what time it is. We got some shrimp that's been marinating for 4 days. And it smell bad. It's early, it's like 8 something in the morning. Hopefully we can get a cat to bite. Let me go put on my fishing tennis shoes. Alright, got my fishing shoes on. Man, I wish I could smell this shrimp. Deadly. Literally deadly. I don't even want to put this on my truck. It's in 4 bags. This is hell. Alright, y'all, we got rods in the water. I couldn't get the cast due to canal issues. But we got rods in the water, that's all that matters. Now we just patiently wait. Patiently wait. Man. I better get something. They got me out here early as hell this morning with these boots on. I better get something on the hook.